I'm in Lady Park Wood, which spans Monmouthshire and Gloucestershire. It's a national nature reserve and also a very, very interesting site for scientists because it's been unmanaged since the end of the Second World War, which makes it a very valuable tool for them. And there is a study published today by the British Ecological Society which takes us right back to that sizzling summer of 1976. And someone who remembers it well is George Peterkin. George has been working this area, since 1969. You live locally now as well, George, and you've been showing me these fantastic trees here, such a variety.
This is, we have virtually all the British trees growing in this one wood, and just standing around here we have one, which is the ash, which has these divided leaves, the black buds, and is facing its own problems with disease right now. And if we look around us, we find several others. Here's the wych elm, which had its disease problems in the 70s and is now slowly recovering. Nice rounded leaf with points on the end. If we go further down into the wood, we find hazel, which is rounded leaf, no diseases at all at present, and this is the low-growing shrub, but above it we find an example of the beech, which is the major tree in the study, a major tree in the wood, and this is the one of the important trees in the whole of British and indeed European forestry.
OK, well, let's find out a bit more about the science of this report. We can talk to Liam Caven, who's from the University of Stirling. He's the report author. Liam, what did you find here?
Well, it might seem like a very peaceful place for you and myself, but for the individuals and species in this woodland, there is in fact a life or death struggle going on right now. That's a competition that beech were winning, but what we found was that the 1976 drought moved the goalposts. Many beech died, and in fact they've never truly recovered, even decades later, and that's allowed competitors like oak to prosper.
OK, Liam, thank you very much, and of course this information will help them plan the forests of the future.